Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Uthando Nesthembu, the trailer. Guys, it's Sazobuya. There's a lot going on.
Number 5 ukhona
uzo-replace me.
Yes, guys, one day sizobuya sikhuluma indaba kaMangwabi. Mangwabi, it's like she's there to secure the bag. Aqeda ukufunda ahambe. The way she's acting, especially around Umusa, akamthandi.
Ukufika kankosikazi omusha mina ngizokujabulela kakhulu.
Okay, lo yena athi uzozijabulela isithembu kufanele. Dala bamgila.
Angikhonzi khona engihlanganisayo naye.
This is definitely giving kuyoliwa la. Kuyoliwa. There's jealousy left, right, and center.
Hambe uyozijolela wena nomunye umuntu owuntanga wakho uphume ekhehle.
I think uMacele is fed up. Like fed up. Ushilo naye ukuthi uzohamba makugena omusha. So, hey, sizabona.
Not easy ukwakha this family.
Wena ihlulile le nto lapha nje egcekeni ukuhlanganisa thina sisodwa.
Lo muzi wakho uwena uzibhidlizelayo. Umuntu okuhloniphayo awumbona umthathele ekhanda. Ingako abantu betreat kanje.
Guys, uThobile no Macele, they had a good reasoning. Because like you can't bring number 5 while the 4 isalo. Like you couldn't bring the 4 together, but still Fungulando number 5. Bayo banjani. You're the one who's moshela umuzi. And why is he not satisfied with this guy?
Things hang in the balance when Mtombeni's health takes a turn for the worst and leaves the family scrambling for direction.
Kuyamangaza ukuthi sengaze kube nomuntu ongaze aguliswe into yakhe.
Then we heard ukuthi Musa recently had a stroke and he's been hospitalized. And then uMacele athi ukuliswa inkinga zakhe. Okay guys, honestly ayikho isini eshoke the whole world njengala bonke bebagcoke all black bakha. Thobile bekakhala, like everyone was crying there. And Thobile bekakhala kakhulu. But like it was so shocking ukuthi like what's happening? Okay, fine. Mhlawumbe asikhalile ukuthi siyibukele vele. But besisusa kakhulu ukuthi umuntu ushonile. But besizozwa ku-internet already. Lo yena bangakhali beka right. Guys, Mangwabi ngabe uyahamba, like honestly. Ayikho into ayihlelile lapha. Kusalile 3 le. Ayikho. Oh, and she has a son. I think uthole lo mntana sisemncane and then Musa wathi hayi ngizokushada nalo mntana loyo. And then maqedile, I don't know guys. But ngiyanitshela mina ama-instinct from angitshela ukuthi Mangwabi is there for money. Uzele imali, but the rest they chilled. Njengomacele beki-first love kaMusa. Abomakhumalo and all. Oh guys, I can't wait to watch it. Siyibukele emsizeni sizo-comment asibonele ama-reviews. January nayo ifika kudala. Guys, thank you for watching.